पाकिस्तान स्टॉक एक्सचेंज के बारे में तो आपको मालूम ही होगा, लेकिन आज हम बात करते हैं कि आईपीओ क्या होता है। What does an IPO stand for? Initial Public Offering. IPO एक ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें एक कंपनी अपने शेयर्स पब्लिक करती है फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम एंड गेट्स लिस्टेड ऑन द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज फॉर पब्लिक ट्रेडिंग ऑफ इट्स शेयर्स। One of the primary reasons for an IPO is to raise funds. ये funds expansion, acquisition और working capital needs के लिए इस्तेमाल किए जाते हैं। IPO also helps promote corporate governance and transparency within the organization structure, जो कि उनकी credibility को improve करता है और ज़्यादा business opportunities को present करता है। How does an IPO work? जब एक कंपनी डिसाइड करती है टू गो फॉर लिस्टिंग ऑन द स्टॉक एक्सचेंज, they are required to appoint a lead manager and a book runner. The mandated lead manager helps the company to prepare different documents which has detailed specification about the company, the transaction, such as prospectus, information memorandum, and financial model. The lead manager and the company will decide on the floor price and the number of shares that the company will offer to the public. अब floor price क्या होती है? Floor price is the minimum price per share which is set by the company alongside the lead manager. The floor price and the number of shares are used to calculate the transaction size, which is the amount that is being raised by the company through the IPO. Lead manager help करता है issue file करने में with the regulatory bodies such as PSX and SEC. Regulatory bodies से approval के बाद, the lead manager alongside with the company starts conducting roadshow events. The roadshow events are marketing events जिसमें listing pitch की जाती है potential investors को, such as institutions and individuals. There are two ways to determine the price of an issue: fixed price mechanism and book building process. Fixed price mechanism, where shares are issued at a specific predetermined price. Book building process. This process involves price discovery process to bidding process in which an investor bids within the price range which decides the final issue price based on demand and supply. एक potential investor के लिए maximum price to bid as part of the book building process is 40% above the floor price. A 40% band means कि अगर base price 10 rupees है, the max it can level up to is 14 rupees. Book building की dates announce होती है जिसमें potential investors को participate करने के लिए forms fill करने पड़ते हैं जिसका link हमारे description box में मौजूद है। The minimum amount for a high net worth individual is 1 million rupees to participate in the book building process. क्या जनरल पब्लिक आईपीओ में पार्टिसिपेट कर सकती है? जी बिल्कुल कर सकती है। There are specific dates where certain number of shares are allotted for the subscription by the general public. The price at which the shares are being offered are decided by a book building process which is also called the strike price. After the process is successfully completed, the shares are then allotted to the investors, after which the stock gets listed on the stock exchange for public trading and is allotted a symbol known as a ticker.